this crazy place where no one knows the road. Out there are signs everywhere. Doesn't matter 'cause I'm still in a daze. Tell me, is this a way for you to reach out and say it's okay? What is this crazy place? What am I supposed to do in a world outside where no one knows the road to you? Will you come find me here? What am I supposed to do in this crazy place where no one knows the road to you? The nights make me think twice. I'm supposed to be here. I made up my mind all of the time. Show me the road to you, to you, to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What am I supposed to do when no one knows how to get to you? Tell me, will you come find me here? Or am I supposed to come to you? What should I do? What is this crazy place? What am I supposed to do in a world outside where no one knows the road to you? When no one knows the road.